Most investors don't lose money because the market is bad. They lose money because they are impatient. They wait for the perfect moment. They wait for the crash. They wait for confirmation. They wait for certainty. And by the time they finally feel safe, the opportunity is already gone. This is one of the most common and most expensive investor mistakes in history, trying to time the market. Everyone believes they can do it. Very few actually can. Even the professionals get it wrong more often than they admit. The illusion of market timing. Market timing sounds logical on paper. Buy when prices are low, sell when prices are high. Simple, right? But here's the problem. You only know whether prices were low or high after the fact. In real time, the market never sends you a clear signal saying, this is the bottom, this is the top. Instead, it feeds you fear or greed. When markets fall, headlines scream panic. When markets rise, everyone suddenly becomes a genius. And investors react emotionally. They hesitate when prices are low. They rush in when prices are high. That's not strategy. That's human psychology working against you. Why most investors fail at timing? Let's be honest. Market timing requires two perfect decisions. 1. When to get in. 2. When to get out. Miss either one, and your results collapse. Study after study shows that even professional fund managers fail to consistently beat the market. Not because they're unintelligent, but because markets move based on millions of unpredictable variables. Interest rates, inflation data, elections, wars, earnings reports, investor sentiment, unexpected global events. One news headline can wipe out months of predictions in seconds. Yet individual investors believe they can outsmart all of this by waiting a little longer. That waiting often becomes permanent. The cost of missing just a few days. Here's a reality most people don't like to talk about. Some of the best days in the market happen immediately after the worst ones. If you panic and exit during a downturn, you often miss the rebound. Missing just the top 10 best days in the market over a long period can cut your total returns dramatically, sometimes by more than half. And guess what? Those best days usually don't come with warning. By the time confidence returns, prices are already higher. Imagine this. You wait for a crash, the market drops 20%, but then rebounds 25% in the next few weeks. If you weren't invested, you just missed a massive chunk of gains simply because of hesitation. The emotional trap. Market timing feels safe. Doing nothing feels safer than doing something at the wrong time. But safety is an illusion. When you sit on cash waiting for perfection, inflation quietly eats your money, time slips away, compounding never starts. The biggest risk in investing isn't volatility, it's inaction. So what's the smarter alternative? This is where dollar cost averaging, DCA, comes in. Not flashy, not exciting, but brutally effective. Dollar cost averaging means investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of what the market is doing. Weekly, monthly, quarterly, up or down, you invest anyway. Why dollar cost averaging works? Dollar cost averaging removes the most dangerous factor in investing: your emotions. When markets are high, your fixed amount buys fewer shares. When markets are low, the same amount buys more shares. Over time, this naturally lowers your average cost. You're not trying to predict the market. You're letting time and consistency do the work. This strategy doesn't require genius. It requires discipline. And discipline beats intelligence in investing every time. Real-world psychology behind DCA. Most investors say they'll buy more during market crashes. Very few actually do. Fear paralyzes people. Dollar cost averaging forces you to act despite fear. You invest automatically, systematically, without asking how you feel about the market today. That's powerful, because the market doesn't reward feelings. It rewards consistency. Timing versus time in the market. There's an old investing truth that never gets old. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Compounding only works when money stays invested. Every year you delay is a year compounding can never recover. Dollar cost averaging keeps you invested through all phases. Bull markets, bear markets, sideways markets. You don't need to guess what's coming next. You're prepared for all of it. Who dollar cost averaging is perfect for? Dollar cost averaging is ideal for long-term investors, busy professionals, people with regular income. Anyone who doesn't want stress. You don't need to watch charts all day. You don't need to read every financial headline. You just need a plan and the discipline to stick to it. The myth of waiting for the crash. Many investors say, I'll invest when the market crashes. But when crashes actually happen, those same investors say, I'll wait. It might go lower. And when it starts recovering, I missed it. This cycle repeats for years. Dollar cost averaging breaks that cycle. You don't wait. You don't panic. You don't chase. You participate. Even legendary investors like Warren Buffett stress, the best time to invest is when you can't predict what will happen next. Does dollar cost averaging guarantee profits? No strategy guarantees profits, but dollar cost averaging reduces regret. You'll never say, I missed the entire market. You'll never rely on one single entry point. And over long periods, disciplined investing has historically beaten emotional decision-making. It turns a stressful, unpredictable market into a predictable, disciplined system, where your success depends on time and consistency, not luck or guesswork. The hard truth about successful investing. Successful investing is boring. It's repetitive. It's patient. It's unemotional. The people who win aren't smarter. They're calmer. They don't try to be heroes. They don't try to predict the future. They show up consistently. Dollar cost averaging isn't about being right this month. It's about being invested for decades. And decades of consistent investing create wealth that short-term genius moves could never achieve. Final thought. If you're constantly waiting for the perfect time, you're already late. The market doesn't reward hesitation. It rewards participation. Stop trying to outsmart the market. Build a system. Stick to it. Let time do the heavy lifting. Because the biggest investor fail isn't losing money in a downturn. It's never giving your money the chance to grow in the first place. And here's the kicker. Investing isn't about luck. It's about showing up. It's about letting your money work for you while you focus on life. Dollar cost averaging ensures that even when fear strikes, panic hits, or headlines scream doom, you're still on track. You're still winning.